Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing how to outline an image. So this can be used for thumbnails or anything like that. And basically the whole point of outlining an image, because you guys see a lot of popular YouTubers actually do that, it just makes the thumbnail, it makes like the image stick out more, and it makes it more appealing to others. And others just more likely to click on it. I know for me, it just makes it more like cleaner look for the thumbnail, and it makes you just want to like click on the video a person, and you want to add like an outline to the person. So guys, you're gonna need this app from the app store. It's called You Doodle. It's a pretty amazing app. There's so much features on it. The features are actually endless on this app. There is like a premium mode or in-app purchase you can buy, but I think right now it's for like a limited price for like $2.99, which isn't that bad. But I mean, you don't need the in-app purchase to do this. You get complete for free. So guys, I'll have this link down in the description. You want to download the app and open it up. All right, so once you open up the app, all you want to do is go to File, and then go to Import, and then tap on Edit a Photo, and then go to Camera Roll, and you want to select the photo you want to do the outline to. Alright, so once you select the image, then you just want to crop the image to what you want. So I'm just going to leave like that, press on Done. Alright, so here's the image. So all you want to do is just go to Brush. You want to tap on that, and you want to change opacity to 0.78, and your size could be like 7.48 around there, and your glow could be 8.25. You can do it to whoever you want. That just works the best for me. And make sure that for the fill, it's on top. It has white on, because usually people outline in white. If you want to outline a different color, then just select a different color. And once you're done with that, you want to tap on Done. That's really it. So now you could zoom in with both of your thumbs or both of your fingers, and then now you can just slide like your thumb or finger on where you want to outline just like that, and then go all around, and then just something like that. But it's gonna look obviously like a lot nicer if you take your time. But that's just how it's gonna look. So, and then that's really it. And then once you're done, you can just save it. So let's say I like it like that. Obviously, you're gonna take more time to do this if you want it to look nicer. You're just gonna go to File on top, tap on Save, and tap on Camera Roll, and then it says Saved. That means it's saved to a camera roll. Alright, so here it is. It's saved to a camera roll, just like that, guys. So pretty easy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.